Yes, people. Craziness happened up in Hainault the other day. We had a young man lost his life. Apparently he's a Brazilian and half Spanish. I don't know how they worked that one out. So maybe he was Spanish or, you know, lived in Brazil, or Brazilian and lived in Spain. Right. And he drove a van. He's from my area, Borough Newham, and he drove his van into a shop, and then he decided to take his samurai sword out and start to slice people with a slice of bread. So a few people were injured, and then the poor young man, right, as it always goes, a young man with lots of promise, right, 14 years old. The guy apparently stabbed him in his back with the sword. Catch you for part two. Managers here.